Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I am showing you how to get access to your data and copy your data to an external SSD drive when your operating system does not start anymore. The operating system of this HP laptop is crashed. Now, how to get to the data? Copy your important data from a crashed Windows machine to external SSD. So as you see, this machine does not start. So even if I restart here, it will fail, and we will copy the data to this external SSD. You see, preparing automatic repair, and it fails. I did this many times. The problem with this is that the registry is destroyed. I could not also restore the registry. Here, go to the advanced option, and then to go to the data, go to the troubleshoots, and then go to the advanced options again. Go here to command prompts. You opened the command prompt as administrator, so you have access to all your data. I connected my external SSD to this laptop. Go to the C and see if it is the correct place, and the files that I want to copy is under the users. Change the directory to users, cd users source, and then see what is inside again with the dir. So this is the project that I want to copy. If I want to copy this to external drive, first I need to check the path to external drive. To see the list of partitions in your system, use disk part, enter. Now you get inside this utility inside Windows, and here you can use list volume to see all the volumes or partitions in your system. As you see, my external drive or external SSD drive is has a label shared data, and the letter assigned for this is automatically G. So I need to go inside the G, so that's enough for this. Control C to exit, and I go inside my external hard drive and create a new directory. So G colon MD, which is make directory, test 01. Created successfully, and see the content. Now I have a test 01 inside of this, and I go back to the C drive where my project was, and then I copy the content of that project to this folder. So I go back to the C, I automatically come to here, and I go one step back and say x copy, which is a better version of copy command in CMD. Copy what? Copy this folder, all the content of this folder. We are inside of J colon, and then test 01. Copy all of this inside of this, and we pass some parameters like also include all hidden files, E include empty directories, C for copy even if error happens, K for copying all the attributes, and hit enter. Now you see it starts copying the content of my project to external hard drive.